Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I will show you how to add borders in Google Sheets. If you are new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss an updates from us. So let's start. First of all, over here you can see I am here in Google Sheets. Here I have some data to which I wanna add borders. So for that, first of all, I'll go to this borders. You can see here is borders. Click on this and you can choose any types of border you want. For now, I am choosing this first one. For that, first of all, select all your datas. Then go over here to this border and you can choose any types of border you want. For now, I am choosing this first one. Over here, you can see border is added to our data. Also, we can change this border to next types. For that, if you just click on this multiple types, here you can see borders of this data hasn't been changed. For that, all you need to do is select all, then go to this borders, then over here select this clear borders. Then you can see here borders of our data has been removed. Like this, you can see here I have selected this second one and just remove this all, then only you can select next one. If you select the next one without removing, it won't work. In this way, we can add borders to data in Google Sheets. So if you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe.